Nung una, I wasn't really expecting for anything. Alam mo ito? Gusto ko lang maging mabuting kaibigan ng mga asahan. Pero yun nga, nung una lang, I really felt something special.
For the rest of our lives, I can't help
But look where we are today, getting married, making our vows, and celebrating this day with our families. I really love making memories with you. But what I also love about us is that all arguments leads to good conversations and finding solutions for them.
I saw marriage from the beginning, as weird as it may sound. We know our relationship had its own challenges, pero proud ako kung paano natin nalagpasan lahat ng yun. Thank you for always being there for me and accepting me for who I am. You've been there through my highest and my lowest, and your love for me is constant.
for the rest of our lives.
Napakaganda po ng plano ng Diyos para sa mga mag-asawa at mga pamilya na siyang truly a source of joy, love, and security for many. Kaya dapat pangalagaan, pahalagahan, ingatan ang relasyong ipinagkatiwala ng Diyos sa atin. Huwag maging pagpapalang pangapalalang ito sa inyo, Dave and Zarina, at lalong higit sa bawat isa po sa atin sa oras pong ito.
Anak, congratulations and best wishes at nawa ay maging forever ang iyong marriage.
Mag-game na.
Advice ko lang, always put God at the center of your relationship. Okay?
O, advice naman dyan.
Apo kagad.
OMG, the pressure is real.
At last.
Ano ba itong mga to? Siyempre, thank you for everything. And finally, I'm here. Getting married, found the one.
Thank you for always motivating me when times are tough. To Flaviano family, who have shown me nothing but kindness. Thank you for raising such a wonderful daughter, and I promise to take care of Sasa. I promise to be the best husband you deserve.
When your dreams were put on hold and I had to take care of my Lola, I remember it like it was just yesterday. Pero you still did show me na hindi ka susuko despite everything. I have never told you this, but this is the one of the biggest reasons why I fell in love with you. We are not perfect. I know that we do fear things that may not come, that together we may not be reaching some of our dreams. But lately, I have unlocked my biggest fear yet. that this life may not be long enough to show all my love for you. So today, I would like to make a vow that I promise to choose you every time it's you against the world. I would take care of you until we get old, and always remind you that I love you every day, and assure you that I will always choose you above anything else.
I promise to learn how to cook your favorite food. Kahit napakadami mong favorite. Pangako na lagi kitang ipagdadrive para di ka mapagod and para mabilis din tayo makarating. I promise to always find ways to make you laugh. I promise not to take anything for granted. Whatever happens, I'm committed to building a life with you, one that's filled with love, trust, loyalty, and understanding. Souza, my best friend, and now my wife, for better or for worse, I love you forever.
I promise to stay by your side, for better, for worse, in sickness and in health, till death do us part. I love you and I can't wait to spend a lifetime with you.